Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Ring Alarm Keypad 2nd generation. So it does come with some screws to mount. This is the mounting bracket, and then the keypad is going to slide into the mounting bracket. Kind of like this. Yeah, it can be a little tricky, but put those 2 notches in and they slide down and locks it into place. Now you don't have to mount it to the wall. You could have it just sitting on the table. Now let's go over the power supply. So you're going to plug the power supply in right here. This is micro USB, and then this is the adapter, the wall adapter. There is a built-in battery, which I'll show you, but you're going to plug this in. That's USB-A. Plug this into a wall outlet. Make sure this only goes one way. The smaller end goes down, and that flat end goes up. And you're going to push it in. Make sure you push it in all the way until it clicks. The cord could go out the bottom or out the top. This is part of the Z-Wave technology, so it will communicate with the 2nd generation base station, and it will also work with the Pro. This is the Ring Alarm Pro with a built-in router, so it'll work with either one of these base stations. Now the power it takes is 5 volts DC, input 1 amp. This is model number 5AT2S7. Now if you need to reset it, that's the reset hole. So take like a paper clip, you're going to press it in, you'll hear a button click, you're going to hold that in for about 5 or 6 seconds, and that's going to reset it. Now it does have a small speaker here on the bottom. We do have some built-in lights. So we have a Wi-Fi light and a battery light right here. These are your panic buttons for fire, police, or ambulance. Let's go over dimensions first. So the keypad's about 4 1/8 and left to right, and about 4 3/8 up down. Thickness, it's not super thick, about a 1/2 inch thick. Here's the bracket. It's about 4 1/4 inches by 4 1/4. The mounting holes are about 1 1/4 inches apart and about 2 inches that way. It's not very thick. Now this is a motion sensor right here. So this keypad can also detect motion. And what you'll see here, there's a red light here. That's going to let you know, that's like a timer to let you know how much time you've got to deactivate it. Or if you activate it, it's also going to let you know when the alarm becomes active. This is the disarm button. This is the home button, and this is the away mode. Now it does have a built-in battery, but I don't know of a way of getting inside the battery. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.